Alright, I'm here in the Toyota Sienna down at Lake Ozark, Missouri at an Automagic car wash. Not just automatic, Automagic. And I'm not particularly hugely excited because it's just another DNS 5000 machine, but it's a little bit unique in that this one appears to be in better condition than some of the ones that I've seen in the past. Actually, it's also very interesting because the bay is so open. So let's see what we got here. So we have the good, better, and best. Well, I'll tell you what. Washing my dad's car, he's paying, he's gonna get the best. You can get some more information there on what exactly these washes mean while I try to figure out how exactly I'm paying. There we go. So we have a nice crisp, well, not really too crisp, but $10 bill. Hopefully straight enough for the machine to accept it. They're advertising that they now accept credit cards. You can tell that was really retrofitted in there. So I guess we'll take the best. Oh boy, quarters. And just like DNS 5, oh, lovely, I spilled some quarters, but just like the DNS 5000s in Jefferson City, we have our blinking green light when we're ready to pull in. These things are pretty retro, so pardon me for taking so long to get my bearings together here, getting all my stuff. Looks like this thing has undercarriage blasters, which I've never seen at a DNS 5000, so let's go ahead and pull in. This van just barely fits in these things. I'll tell you, this is why car wash owners don't like DNS 5000s. They're very susceptible to damage by bad driving because they're so narrow, and if you drive off the track at all, as I appear to be doing here, what am I stuck on? Having a little bit of a problem with our DNS 5000. There we go. Hit the sweet spot. Man, we got some real high-tech car washing going on here. Hopefully it can make it back. Okay, good. The car's not too long. I had a scare on one of these things one time, and a pickup truck just barely fit inside of the ring that or the U-shaped rail they travel on. I'll look away from the machine for a second when it rotates. You can see this rail here. That's all this machine is. It's just a U-shaped thing that goes back and forth on a rail. This is the first one I've ever seen with dryers. They advertise the dryers were new, so I'd assume that they refurbished this place somewhat recently. That soap smells. Getting thoroughly soaped. Get you a better view. You know, I'm gonna do something really cool here. Watch this. Put my foot on the brake, shift and reverse to get the reverse cam. Can't really see too much, but too much water. Oh, there you go. I'll do that again during the spot-free rinse. You might be able to see something. See the headlights reflecting on the machine up there. I love the retro signage. Clear Coat Conditioner. Notice the hose is all bundled up there to go along with the machine. I've actually never seen one of these with a clear coat either. This seems like a very well kept up DNS 5000. That's something that I can't really say for most of them. Let's try the reverse cam again. There we go. Wow. Sitting there. There it goes. There you can see where it turns straight. It's quite a long wash cycle. You can see why they have two. Let's do the reverse cam again. I have a feeling that's gonna, yeah, there we go. Spot-free rinse, look at that. Spot-free rinse light's burnt out. Hey look, we're supposed to stop and enter at the same time. This one doesn't jiggle all over the place when it hits the ends either. Amazingly simple yet functional machine. There's our dryers that sound quite powerful. Man, this rail is just barely wide enough for this van. I don't even know why they bother with the dryers. It didn't work at all. At least I can clean the windshield blades a little bit. Well, how do I get out of here? I guess over here? I think. Maybe? No. I forgot the wipers. Anyway. Get onto the gravel right after I clean my car. Wonderful. Well, I got the squished bugs off of my front windshield. There's another good look at the machine with the dryers that are still running. No joke. No, actually, I think it was spinning down. Never mind. I heard the power down. What am I talking about? I'm just going crazy. Nice narrow driveway here to get out. I mean, that was a healthy effort at trying to make those DNS 5000s a viable, profitable, and useful car wash still. And I have to say, it's well maintained, and although I've never really been, I'm sure you kind of picked up by the tone of my voice, I've never really been super crazy about the DNS 5000. I should have gone for that. Crap. Well, anyway, I've never been super crazy about the DNS 5000 system. I think it's kind of outdated. But, I mean, it did a pretty good job from what I can gather from the interior of the car. I mean, it's not too shabby. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed that look at an older car wash here in Lake Ozark, and hope you enjoy that sunset as well. Thank you for watching.